pretty much time. I'm going to show you how to make this dumbbells using kingdom dumbbells, which looks like this. We have weights on either sides. That pretty heavy. Let's see how we can make it. Now let's start making the dumbbells. For making the dumbbells, we need to attach 4 of these big pieces to 4 of these small pieces, like that. And now we need to attach 1 big piece to 2 of these small pieces, like that. And now attach it in the middle, or like after one. Now bend it to be able to attach on this one, and then the second one like that. Then this, we are forcing it to actually clip on to this one. So finally we have it this, and then we attach it to this one. Now we need to make another one. Now to connect these all together, we need to attach 2 of these pieces together using this, like that, and then we bend it into a cuboid, attach it on top. Now like that, you'll be getting this after you attach a cuboid or this pieces together and attach it on top. And then we attach the other one on top. Now our dumbbells is ready. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. See you next time. Other interesting object to build. Bye. Hit the like.